Welcome to the VacProof app. This app will make a digital recording of your vaccination record card for COVID-19. Hopefully in the future we'll get endorsed by the CDC or FEMA or one of the federal agencies for use. To my knowledge, there's no other software like this out here. So I already installed VacProof on my S6 phone, which you are seeing online. I actually have it mirrored to my PC to make it easier to do the video. I'm going to start the program. When you first start it, you'll be asked to register. This is only an internal registration. I'm going to put my name in here. It's important that you put your name on this page because it's used in the other parts of the software. For user ID and password, I'm just going to use Q for the purpose of this video. I'm going to register. Next time we start this program, you'll be brought to this screen, and there'll be a barcode, QR code here that will bring up your information. And it'll also say that if whoever you're trying to prove to wants proof, that you can, after you log in, you can do your full data record. So again, we use Q and Q. I'll log in. Now it's looking for my vaccination data. I was vaccinated on 4/29, so I just select that date. I use Johnson & Johnson, so my second shot is not required. However, if you do have a second shot, you can add it here. Select on the select the vaccine type. Johnson & Johnson. My card does have a vaccine number, but I'm just going to put some number or vaccine lot number. I'm just going to put some numbers in there for the purpose of this video. Healthcare, I was vaccinated by Oasis Pharmacy in Texas. Alright, and I do have a phone number, but again, I'm just typing some numbers. Select. Alright, once you have your information entered, you just click on Save Data and Continue. Puts it on a local database on your phone. At this point, I'm looking for you to take an image of your vaccination card as proof. So what I'm going to do is take a picture of the front side of my card. This is my actual card. Picture. When I come back, you'll see the card is now, if it was, it's not portrait. If it was landscape, you'd see you need to click the rotation. You see a little message, rotation required. We're not going to mess with that right now. We're just going to accept the picture. Now it wants a picture of the back side of the card, and we will do that. My card is blank because I didn't need a second shot or anything. And I'm going to accept that picture. Alright, at this point, now the next time you start, you'll see this QR code on the login screen like I told you. As long as you see the pictures, you're good. And here it says I was vaccinated on 4/29 by Oasis Pharmacy using vaccine manufactured by Johnson & Johnson, and I'm now fully vaccinated. When you scan this QR code, that text in yellow is what will come up. Here it says scan QR for vaccine record, which is just a text, or you can click show vaccination to display full-size images. We're going to do that here in a minute, but for now, I'm going to go ahead and close it down to show you how it works. And I'm going to go back and I'm going to restart it, and we'll show you what the main page is. We'll go back and I'll show you what the main page will look like when you first start. Okay, if everything works right, we should have a QR code and give you the ability to log in. I can't show you the scan because we need another phone and another camera, but you can either scan the barcode, which will give you the who's vaccinated, when, where, or whatever, or the user, the owner of the phone, would have to log in for you to see detailed information. I did this for security reasons. Let's say you get someplace and they don't like your barcode or can't read all the text or something silly. We're going to log in. Again, you see your two pictures here, your front and your back. I'm going to go ahead and show you the vaccination record. There's a picture of your front of your card, much bigger, so they can at least verify, your date of birth, who you are. And if you do have information on the back, you'll have this code. You'll be able to see the back as well. All right, that's it. Hope you like it.